Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. So this is a little bit of an impromptu video for me. I didn't think I was going to be filming this today, but I thought to myself, you know what, why not? Why not film this video? Why not throw this out to my wonderful audience and just see if it's something that they might be interested in. So as you know, I have an 8-bedroom house that I'm turning into a women's home, and if you haven't seen the video where I talk about kind of like the challenges that I've had with doing that, then I will leave a link up above and down below so you can go and check out the kind of like challenge I've had to even try and get this project started, because it has been difficult. But now that I'm over that first hurdle, now I've got to really think about, okay, now I've got the house, how is this going to work? Because originally my plan was to do a crowdfunding campaign and to raise the money to do the renovations on the house, but I don't know. I'm actually having a little bit of a rethink. After having a few conversations with a few people, I'm actually starting to think whether or not it might be better to, I could still do the crowdfunding campaign, but also I've had people reach out to me with regards to actually physically helping with the house. So whether it be painting, decorating, helping with this, helping with that, supplying this, or you know, it's like been so overwhelming, and it's just been so beautiful that people want to be involved, that I am just so grateful. So thank you so much. And it just made me stop and think a little bit about the house and what's the best way forward with it, because also I was originally going to keep it as an 8-bedroom house. It also has a building attached to it, a forge, that we were going to turn into something, not quite sure yet what that was going to be. I was just going to concentrate on the 8-bedroom house, but I did have an architect come and have a look at the house, and he drew up some plans where it could actually be turned into maybe around 5 or 6 flats. So I was like, okay, well, that is an option. However, it's a lot more time, it's a lot more money, it's a lot more work, but that means that each individual woman would have their own flat. So if they're coming with kids, then they've got their own space, they've got their own kitchens, bathrooms, they don't have to share with anybody. It's a lot better for the women. However, I did still like the kind of community aspect of keeping it as an 8-bedroom house, because then, you know, the women can connect with each other, and, you know, maybe make friends and share with each other. Obviously that could go two ways. It could be a positive thing or it could be a negative thing, because if they're women that are in need, you know, it might not be as straightforward. Some women might be at different levels, and so yeah, so there's, you know, pluses and minuses for both arguments. So yeah, so at the moment I'm just trying to figure out, okay, what's the best layout for the house? Is it keep it as rooms, or is it turn it into flats? And also, would you like to be involved, you know, kind of physically? So is there anything that you could do to help? That way then I need to raise less money. So if somebody's coming in to paint or to you know, do plastering or fit a kitchen or whatever, then it means that I don't need to raise as much money to pay someone to do it. Do you know what I mean? And also it'd be lovely if it was all women. How cool would that be? But that's not a stipulation at the moment. That's not a stipulation. It's just an idea. You know, a home for women, built by women. Everything to do with it benefits women. That just sounds wonderful. That would be the ideal scenario. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video to throw it out there to see, is it something that you would be interested in being involved in? Maybe you're able to donate beds, or you work for a company that can donate the paint, or can donate the curtains, or, you know, someone that might fit the kitchens, or I don't know. I don't know. I'm just kind of like brain dumping on you at the moment, because it's a huge project and I don't want to go in the wrong direction. So I thought, you know what, ask my wonderful audience what they think. Now I know you haven't seen the house or anything like that, but it just helps if I kind of like throw it out there and just say, okay, you know the basics, I've got an 8-bedroom house, there is another building attached to it. Would it make more sense to do it as flats, or should I keep it as rooms? And you know, is it better for me to actually, rather than people donate money, donate time? You know, because that's the whole concept of what I'm about, time with Natalie. You know, it's all about spending time with me, and hopefully you'll be inspired and educated and motivated. And what better way to do that than, you know, helping to build this women's home. So yeah, so I just want to throw that out there. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. You know, if you were in my position, what would you do? How would you kind of like, you know, think this through, and how would you kind of like get this project moving? I'd love to know. I would love to know what you think. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What would you do? I'd love to know. And are you interested in getting involved and helping beyond donating? So yeah, let me know. And don't forget, if you're not already a subscriber, then please do click the link down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.